Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. Well, I made a haul from Sam's Club this morning, and this is what I picked up. So I got the Hebrew Nationals, which has gone up a bit, and unfortunately beef prices are not coming down, so I got a little of that. These are two giant chubs, and let's see if I can zoom in on it here. Okay, so that one is 9.76 pounds, and this one here is 9.79. It's 3.88 a pound. That's 90% fat free. Then I got an 88% fat free here. Almost 5 pounds, 4.83, and I'm going to be making chili out of that today. And then I also picked up some chicken breast, 6 pounds of it. And so basically what I did was I had some, well, I guess you call it bonus money, whatever, from Sam's Club, from our account that we earned money back. And so I had $96.55, and so I went out. So for all this, I actually only spent $28 on all this meat here. So, but the chicken breast was $16.76, and so everything's going in the chest freezer here except for the package here, which I'm going to make into chili. So, use every opportunity you have to stock up, because our Captain Crazy in the White House actually came out and said there's going to be food shortages this year. So people are going to freak out and go out and start buying stuff that they don't need. I'm just adding to my stock, which I do constantly. But just some stuff here to get things going along, so when the prices go actually bonkers, I can live off of this stuff. Alrighty, so remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medical supplies, and skills. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.